So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how you can change your username on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if I try to show you, my Windows name is techmash, and if I go to settings, here you can see my Windows name is techmash. So in this video I am going to show you how you can change this name. Before going to start it, I will suggest you to please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So let's start. So at first you have to do it, just go to your search button and search here for control panel. Control panel. Here you can see control panel, just double click on it, and then here you can see user accounts, just click on it, then just click on change account type on user accounts, just change account types, then click on your name techmash. From here you can see change the account name, just click on it, and now here you can see they are saying new account name. So if I type subscribe, now you have to restart your PC and then you can see your name will be changed. So that's it, that's how you can change your Windows name. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So thanks for watching.